Hey guys, and welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today we're going to be making some jelly cube slime. This is my blue bottle jelly slime from my shop. I just thought I would show you guys it as an example. I hope you guys are excited for today's video. Jelly cube slime is a new, well, sort of new trend on Instagram slime, and there have been a lot of slimers that by accidentally have been using like toxic erasers, but don't worry, today we're not going to be using anything toxic. We're just going to be using some regular non-toxic white sponges. And don't forget to subscribe down below to the Slime Lab. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers as I'm filming this. We could be to 1,000 when you guys are seeing this, but don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and a comment down below on some video suggestions. And please vote in my poll if I should talk in my restock videos or not, so I can just like see what you guys like more. And yeah, let's get on with the slime video. What you will be needing is a bowl. I'm using mine from my stand mixer. Sorry about that, guys. Glue. Clear glue is what's used for this, but you can use white glue, I guess. A non-toxic sponge. You will also need some activator. I'm using borax activator. Now this is optional, but you can also use some food coloring. I'm using red. You can also use a scent if you would like, but you don't have to, and it will unpreserve the clarity, so it'll be pretty foggy if you understand. So what you're going to want to do first is add your clear glue. So if you choose to use your food coloring, then now is the time to put it in. Now's the time you're going to want to add your activator, so just pour that in. Don't add too much at one time, or your slime will overactivate and become rubbery. When you're mixing your slime, you'll notice that it's becoming clumpy. I hate that word too, guys. I'm so sorry. But it is. And you're just going to want to keep stirring, and don't add any more activator because it keeps activating itself. I don't know what happens with clear slime. It's just really crazy. I know it's kind of hard to make, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. Just keep stirring that up. I will see you guys when this is done. So once you're done activating the slime, it should look like this, and it should be a little, like, it could be possibly ripping, and I didn't use any more activator from the activator that I used at the beginning, and you'll notice that it has a bunch of strings. So what you're going to need to do is knead it for a while until it's smooth. I'll see you guys when this is fully kneaded. So this is the slime once it's fully kneaded. It is so nice. I really love it. So let's get on to the next step. The next thing you're going to want to do is cut your jelly cubes. So 3, 2, 1. Here they all are all cut up. So now what you're going to want to do is take your slime. I'm just doing something satisfying for you guys, so. And just put the cubes in, or drizzle your slime over the cubes. Then just mix your cubes all in. When you first make the slime, it won't be too stretchy, but when you let it sit for a day or a couple hours, it will be stretchy and it will be more clear. So I'm just going to put this, so now you're just going to want to put your slime away into your container and cover that up and leave it to sit for a few hours to clear up. So I've waited overnight and it sort of cleared up, you could say. It didn't completely clear up, but it's almost completely cleared. And this is the final result. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to go down below and subscribe, leave a like, and don't forget to buy some slime from my shop. And yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to watch some more of my videos. I might be putting up a unicorn slime shop review tomorrow or on Wednesday of this week. So stay tuned for that. And bye guys!